All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to be doing another headshot session here in Pasadena. It is nice and early. It's almost 9 a.m. We're starting at 9 a.m., so we got here a little bit early. We're going to be doing another headshot session today. We may mix a little bit of off-camera lighting and natural light just because there's a lot of areas that will work that are in the shade. So as soon as we got here, what I did is I took a couple of test shots with my iPhone in portrait mode just to show the client more or less what it can look like outside. This way I can be like, hey, this is what this background can look like, this is what that background can look like. And yes, that's a little bit crude. It's not the most, I would say, technical way of showing it, but at least gives them a very good idea of what their photo can look like. Them here with this blurry background. And I do it on 5X because more than likely I'm gonna be shooting very zoomed in. That's the idea, to kind of give them some sort of look of what it's gonna look like. We may do some inside, we may do some outside. I'll ask her, you know, what is the exact look that she wants. Last time that I shot with just her, we did mostly outdoors. So I'll see if she kind of wants to match that same look. Last time we shot at her old apartment, which was a little bit more industrial, but we did find some green areas. So depending on what look she wants, we'll kind of figure it out. Luckily, one thing that I was discussing with Alexis on the way over here is that with headshots, you don't need a ton of space. You don't need to, your background, yes, it's important, but you can look, like I'm looking around, you guys are seeing me, I'm looking around. I'm looking here, I'm looking there, I'm looking on the sidewalk. If you zoom in vertical, you're gonna crop out all the cars. Understand how to use your zoom on your camera to include what you want and not include what you don't want. It's a skill that I think is underrated. It's something that my college professor always told me, is that whatever is in the frame and what's not in the frame is equally as important. So just make sure that you're intentional about what is in your photo. If we do decide to use off-camera lighting today, we are gonna be playing around with the Neewer Q120, which they just sent over to us. I'll do an unboxing and go over all the specifics about it in a separate video, but we just got it and I wanted to come and do it. If you can hear it in my voice, I'm just getting over being sick, so I didn't want to film downstairs and sound all nasally. So this is the Q120, like I said, 120 watt power flash. It has a 1.5 recycling time. It's 120 watts, obviously, you know, with the name Q120. And yeah, this should be plenty. We attached it onto the Godox S3 bracket. And what we did for this is we removed the bottom piece because it is a larger, thicker flash than other flashes. So it needed a little bit of extra room. It's on there. We're gonna use the Softbox again. And one thing, somebody left a comment about the deflector. We used it facing one way, which is you can, but he was mentioning it about facing it the other way, where the dish is almost facing, you guys will see in the little B-roll that I'm showing you guys right now, where it's facing a different direction, so it spreads a little bit more out into the softbox. So we'll see what difference that makes. We'll see, you know, how it looks. I was already very satisfied with the way it looked last time, so now we're gonna see how it looks with it facing the other way. Should be a pretty simple standard shoot. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. I absolutely love everybody that's been leaving comments. We're here to learn from each other. So, you know, leave comments, leave questions. I'm always happy to learn and I'm always happy to teach. So let's get into it. In this, if I'm having you sitting down, instead of telling you how to, and telling you 10 different things, I'd rather just have you, you know, show you so you can kind of see it. So I would have you leaning forward a little bit, just like this. Not so much where you're kind of slouching down. You don't want to sit all the way back because then you look, you know, messy. So you want to be just like this. Just a little tiny bit, yeah. And then I'll correct you and adjust anything, but yeah, more or less like that. I'm gonna be shooting, I'm gonna show you guys as we're shooting. If there's any changes you want to make, of course, you just let me know. That's what I'm here for. So don't be shy about speaking up. Julia, I'm gonna have you sit right over here. You're gonna be sitting a little bit close to the edge, so that way you're not, you know, slouching back. And is there a side that you prefer? I always like to ask. They're both good? Beautiful. I'm gonna have you turn, actually exactly, you automatically turned a little this way. So I'm gonna have you turn your knees a little this way, just a tiny bit, and then you're gonna turn your head back to the camera this direction, just like that. And then right around there. We're gonna show you just so you can kind of, if you wanna adjust yourself, yeah. All the hairs together, you know what I mean? Like there's not strands that are separated. Exactly. I prefer over the ears. I feel like it shapes your face a little bit more. When it's behind, it kind of, you know, opens it up a little too much. So I think this looks nice, yeah. Right around there. And then, like I said, Julia, I'm gonna show you as we're shooting. So if there's anything you wanna change, you tell me. Everyone is, myself included. Ask him. He was taking my photo 2 weeks ago and I go, wait. And I have to remember what I tell people. So I get it. exactly what you're doing right now. The only thing I'm gonna have you do is just relax your shoulders just a little. Just there you go. Yep, good. And then looking this way, 1, 2, 3. I'm just testing out my light angle. So that right there, I'm gonna change it just a little bit, just because it's a little too flat. Right around there. It's actually too powerful. I'm gonna lower it. There we go. Ready? And Julia looking right here. Nice. Good. Nice. Turn your head just a little more this way. Beautiful. That's it. Nice. Good. Nice. And again, 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Let me check. Yeah, that looks great. Cool. Easy, right? I would say no. It's something that I read in a book like way back in the day. Nobody sits completely straight up. So if you stand up too straight, it looks a little unnatural. A little slouch makes it feel a little bit more natural. Let me do a few more though. If you want to stand up, if you want to test it out, just stand up just a little straighter. And let's try that out. There we go. So right there, ready? Turn your head a little more to the camera. Too much? Come back. All right. Yeah, there we go. Right there. Nice. Good. 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Cool. Cool. Yeah, that works. Nice. And that's why I said speak up. Don't be shy. So yeah, cool. Yeah, we got a few good ones there. And you have a natural smile, which helps. Yeah. Cool. Stay there. I may do... Let me have you stand up actually for a second. Alexis, can you move the chair over a little bit for me? A little more. There we go. Good. And then Julia, let me have you sit again. I just want to test something out. I may do a slightly different crop. This is just for me now. We got what we needed. Yeah. As I was telling her, I like giving you guys more than you need. You know, like in the end, I like for you to have options. And even what you did where you kind of leaned on that a little bit, I like that. Yeah, I like that. Yep. Perfect. Hold that. Nice. I can tell you're getting more comfortable. I like it. Nice. Yeah. It looks cool, right? Yeah. Nice. And I'll give you both. I'll give you the other one and that one. Yeah. So I'm going to have you, yep. Even though we probably won't get much of that, I'm going to have you sit right. No, I like that. Yeah. Because that's what I would have told you anyway, even though we don't get it. Yeah. The very first thing he knows, he's been with us long enough. I'm like, things out of the pockets. Yeah. Get comfortable. So right there. Yep. And then let me actually have you sit a little closer to the edge so that way you're not, leaning back. You almost want to lean forward just a little. Let me actually go ahead and stand up. I'm going to rotate the chair a little bit so you have a little angle to your posture. Because what you don't want to be directly towards the camera. You almost want to be a little bit like this. So just a little to the side. Sure, so yeah. Angle towards Alex. Exactly. Yep, exactly right. Perfect. Good, and then you can lean forward just a pinch. That's it, good. Alexis, bring that light this way a little bit. Right around there, yep. And then let me have you looking straight this way. The light won't be too bright, but it's gonna go off, a couple of times. So right there, let me actually have you bring your hands together again how you had them. Yep, there we go. Yep, even though I probably won't see them too much, but it looks better than having them spread out. Yep. So right there, 1, 2, 3, nice. Oh, you turn that happy smile on immediately. Nice. Good. Yeah, exactly. Nice. No, because some people get really awkward. As soon as you do, you turned it on nice.
I got married in June, so.
Oh, you were practicing.
The wedding photography was.
Perfect. Nice. Good. Hold that. Good. Let me get a couple more. Nice. And a few more. 1, 2, 3. Nice, cool. Let me double check.
Yeah.
That's a friendly guy right there.
That's all we want. Just want to look friendly.
Nice, I like that. Cool. Let me show you just so if there's anything you want to change, of course. I think it looks great. Yeah. Cool.
Friendly's what. That's all I want.
That's what you want inviting. Exactly. I'm trying to remember. Do you have a side that you prefer?
I do prefer this side.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah.
Let me know.
I got you.
It turns out this side is better. Who knows?
I think last time we did both.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I can't remember which one you ended up using, but we'll go. Probably. Yeah. That's okay. So right there, I'm gonna have you sitting a little bit more close to the edge. So right around there, and even though we're not seeing it, we'll have you zip up just.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. That's okay. There we go.
Today.
That's okay. There we go. Cool. So right there, yep. You already know. There we go. And then Alexis, if you want to show her just to make sure with your phone, there is one strap that's showing on this side, and then Alexis is going to show you in case you want to adjust your hair or anything like that.
That's a great idea.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you, Alexis.
Okay.
So right there, Salomia, let me have you. The hands were actually good where they were. Yep, exactly, because they're nice and comfortable. Let me have you looking this way. Nice. I got to be quick with you because that smile was automatic. Nice, good. Nice.
Do you think I'm angling my face correctly?
I like it because there's a little bit of a tilt, but not too much.
Okay.
So yeah, I would have let you know if it looked a little like too much. The only thing, even though you zipped up, the zipper is showing just a little, that piece. Yeah. Yep, there we go. And if I liked one of those previous ones, I can take that out.
Okay.
Yeah. So right there, ready, and looking right here. 1, 2, 3. Nice. And again, 1, 2, 3. Nice. One more. 1, 2, 3. Good. And again, 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Cool. You know what? We can do standing.
Right?
Alexis, can you move the chair? And then I'm going to raise this just a little, Salomia. And scoot over just
Yeah, but everything just going
right around there. Yep, that should be good. Toby. Salomia, let me have you, if you can press just one hair on this side, other side.
This side.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you're getting it. There it is. Yep, you got it. Cool. And again, if I like the other, I could just, yeah. I got you.
Right, honey?
Toby.
Wiki.
Nice.
For our breakfast, right?
Yeah, your dog's loud.
Nice, I got him yawning. Baby. Toby. Awesome. Perfect.
My little honey bunny.
Sweet thing. Zoom in is because when you zoom in, all the features look a little bit more flattering. When you're very wide and close, it stretches everyone out. So that's why I'm really far back, but really all I'm getting is like right here. Yep. So Alexis, right over here, please. There we go. I'm going to test it out with flash. Again, if I don't like it, I'm going to go with natural light. So right there. Let me have you put one hand in front of the other, even though we're not seeing it, just so there's a little bend in your elbow. There we go. Hold that right there, looking this way. Let me see. One more. 1, 2. A little higher, Alexis. I'm seeing 1, 2, 3. Cool. Got it. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Nice. So it's just very simple. And then
What happened?
It happens, dude.
Also, there's like dog hair.
Yeah.
Just wash this.
That's all right. There you go. Cool. If anything, I'll get the rest. Yeah, don't worry about it.
Hand in the pocket?
Let's do that hand in the pocket, and let's do the thumb inside the pocket as well. There we go. Cool. Let me have you right there. Rotate a little more. There we go. Perfect. Hold that right there. And I'm going to have you looking straight into the lens right here. Hold that right there. Ready? Rotate. You know what? A little more to me. Right there. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. There it is. Nice. Straighten out your head just a little bit. Turn your head this way a little more. Nice. Good. Nice. Let me just double check. Nice. Alexis, let me do one more. Go just a little higher just because I'm seeing the softbox a little bit. Yeah, thank you. So right there. Ready, looking this way. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Again, 1, 2, 3. And one more. 1, 2, 3. Naturally nice. Good. Good. So candid. Nice, cool. So these are very dark. I did that on purpose because I'm saving the backgrounds, and I took a ton. It's still loading. Yeah. Let me do another set. All right, so I didn't have time to do a proper outro because I had a client meeting. To recap, we ended up using the Neewer Q120. And like I said, 120 watt power flash. I mentioned on the S3 that we had to remove the little extra piece over here in order to fit a larger, fatter flash. So a couple of things just like that. It's a really well-built unit. It kept up pretty much for the entire shoot. The only thing is by the end of it, when we were doing really high power, like half power, full power, and we just kept beating on it, eventually it did overheat for a little bit. And I just had to pause and wait a little bit longer in order to keep shooting. So that's the only thing that I wanted to mention. I don't think it's indicative of the flash. I think it's more indicative of the amount of power that I was shooting out of it in the middle of the day, and I was going pretty quick with it. So if you're gonna be shooting more in the middle of the day, just give it a little bit more time in order to keep up. But other than that, it did great. If you're shooting at golden hour, I don't think you're gonna have any issues with it. The size of it is decent. It's not enormous. So yeah, overall, really happy with the unit. It performed as expected. And yeah, the shoot went really well. They were very happy with it. We already delivered the entire gallery, so everything went really smoothly. If you guys have any questions about headshots, about shooting, about lighting, about directing, anything, leave a comment below. I appreciate every single one of you that has been commenting, that has been subscribing. In the last couple of months, I think we got a couple of thousand subscribers, and you guys have no idea how happy that makes me. My goal was to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And I think we're gonna have to raise that a little bit because, you know, I'm not bragging at all. This is me genuinely being grateful. I think we're gonna hit that a lot sooner. I think we might have to raise it. Let's see, I don't know what we can get to, but I'm just gonna keep posting. So you guys let me know what you wanna see. Also, I'll keep listening to feedback. I'll keep listening to what you guys wanna watch, and I'll keep posting whatever I think will be helpful. If you like what we have to offer on this channel, feel free to subscribe. And yeah, we have 3 weddings this weekend. We're gonna do some behind the scenes probably on all of them. 4 if you count the City Hall one also, which we're gonna do tomorrow. We're definitely gonna do behind the scenes on that. Jeff is gonna be doing lead on one of them on Sundays. We're gonna feature him on one of the videos as a lead photographer. So you guys can get an idea or at least a viewpoint from other people on the team. All right, hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye guys.